How to use the GameStop gift card on the Xbox One. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll delve into the topic of using a GameStop gift card on the Xbox. So let's get started. First and foremost, it's really essential to identify the type of gift card you possess, whether it's specifically an Xbox gift card purchased from the GameStop or the traditional GameStop gift card. Understanding the distinction between the two is crucial. If you possess a GameStop gift card, the redemption process is straightforward. Simply visit any nearby game store where you can easily utilize the funds to purchase other gift cards or the items of their interest. However, if you have an Xbox gift card, the procedure for redeeming it on your Xbox console is slightly different. To redeem your Xbox gift card, you need to follow a series of instructions meticulously. Begin by pressing the Xbox button to access the guide and then proceed to select the store option. And once you have chosen the store, press the view button to unveil the side menu where you can locate the redeem option, and upon selecting redeem, input the 24-character code associated with your Xbox gift card, followed by clicking next, and subsequently carefully follow the on-screen instructions to successfully redeem your Xbox gift card on the Xbox platform. So by adhering to these detailed steps, you can effortlessly redeem your Xbox gift card and make the most of its value. So we hope you found this video helpful. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.